Hey dudes! So, me and my best friend Maya and her sister is going to present a Harlem Shake video, I mean, because we were challenged and we just added it, and here's it now.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas.
Okay, so if you enjoyed this video and you want more, and it's okay, we'll make more. And if you did us like this, sorry, because the challenger said that we have to make some Harlem Shake videos and upload it on YouTube. And we're wearing our pajamas or housewear. It's okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and request me or us some nice requests, please, because look at our age. Just look at she's just request me, and we're still in grade 5 because we're not able to do some, just upload videos when I have free time. Bye.